Are you looking for a new soup recipe? I'm going to show you how to make a white bean chicken chili. Let's get started. To start the soup, place a pot over medium-high heat and add oil. Dice an onion. If you don't know how, check out my video here. Add the onion, diced chicken, and garlic powder to the pot. Cook until the chicken is no longer pink. Add white beans that have been rinsed and drained, chicken stock, green chilies, salt, cumin, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and oregano. Stir everything together and let that simmer on low for 30 minutes. After it has been simmering, add sour cream and heavy whipping cream. Mix that together and let it heat up. Spoon a large amount into your bowl because you are going to love it. Garnish with Monterey Jack cheese, sour cream, cilantro, avocado, and a squirt of lime. Serve with tortilla chips on the side. After you have given me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so together we can strengthen our families through food. We will see you in the next video.